Hey guys, Dr. Joshua Kirkendall here at Spring Dentist. You might know me as Dr. K. I'm here just to tell you a little bit about the top 3 phone calls that we get when patients call in asking about the procedures that we offer here in the office. When patients are seeking a new dentist or seeking treatment, this is what we hear on the phone most commonly. Number 1 would be extractions and how to replace that tooth once it's pulled. So whenever we pull a tooth, whenever we have a tooth that's either, cracked, broken, abscessed to the point we can't save it, we unfortunately have to pull that tooth. And once it's pulled, there are several options available. One, we can do a bridge. Porcelain bridge, it basically anchors on a tooth in front of that tooth that's going to be missing and anchors on a tooth behind it. We make a porcelain bridge, which is like 3 crowns fused together. They slide on those 2 anchor teeth. They're cemented and they stay in your mouth. They do not come out. Pretty much looks like natural teeth, functions like natural teeth. And in many cases, it's harder than those natural teeth were to begin with. So you can chew, eat, even candy, anything like that. It's not going to come out. It's going to be nice and strong. And it's going to look great. The second option would be a dental implant. Dental implant is composed of 3 parts. Once the extraction takes place, we take the tooth out. We first place the implant into the jawbone, which is not as bad and scary and painful as it sounds. It's actually a very minimal painful kind of procedure that we do. And there's a little abutment that goes on top of that. And then the final part, which is the part that you're waiting for, which is the dental crown. We put a porcelain crown on top of the implant once we're done. And it can be either screwed on or cemented on. But again, either way, it's staying in there. It's not coming out. It's not going to be loose. You're going to be able to chew, look great. It'll look very natural and be very convincing. A lot of people don't even know you'll have them when you talk to them in conversation. You'll actually have no tooth there, dental implant and a crown, and no one will know. Looks great, feels great. Other good thing about a dental implant, of course, is you'll never need a root canal on the tooth. You'll never get a cavity in the dental implant because there's basically no tooth there. All right, so the number 2 most common phone call we get about dental procedures that we offer here is about whitening. So when it comes to whitening, there's 2 different ways pretty much that we can do it. One is we can use a chemical procedure where we bleach the teeth. So in other words, you have usually a decent shade, maybe you don't feel like your teeth are just really bad, but you feel like, they're a little bit yellow, a little tinge to them. Then we can do in-office bleaching, or we can make you take home trays. And we just basically use a chemical gel. You put it over the teeth. It will bleach. If we do it in office, it takes an hour. If you take it home, it can be a couple of weeks. You just wear it at nighttime or during the day. And at the end of it, you'll get a nice, bright, whitened smile. If your teeth are very, very dark, they've suffered trauma, some pretty dark stain, almost like yellow, brown, orange, like a very, very dark stain, the bleaching probably is not going to do too much for you. So the whitening in that case would be something more permanent and a little more invasive, but it can definitely be done, would be like porcelain veneers and crowns. Those are basically procedures where we reshape those teeth that we're wanting to whiten by taking them down by about 1 millimeter or so in all directions. And then we're able to put a permanently placed porcelain veneer or porcelain crown that is bonded onto those teeth. And then they will not change color. I tell people all the time, it's like a glass of wine. It's like a white ceramic bowl. We all know you can leave soup in it, you can have wine in a wine glass, and it looks stained, but all you have to do is soap and water, clean it, and it goes back to the exact same color it was. It's the same way with porcelain veneers and crowns. They can technically stain momentarily, but all you have to do is brush your teeth and the stain goes away. The last thing would be, we do get questions about, hey, I don't like my crooked teeth, I have spaces, what can I do? I have gaps. And the answer for that, again, 2 options, which would be orthodontics, which most people know that word, braces. We don't offer in-house braces here. We do offer Invisalign, which is not for all cases, but for most cases, we can usually get a really nice result with just clear aligners or Invisalign, which is what most people know the brand. So basically those, they pop in, they pop out. Still takes a little while, maybe a year and a half, somewhere around in there, depends on the severity of the case. and that will allow you to then shift your teeth where you're wanting them to be, correcting your bite, correcting the aesthetics and all that. And last but not least, the other way to straighten your teeth, which we can do in about 4 weeks, would be something, again, like porcelain veneers. We can change the shape, change the color, and change the arrangement and straighten the teeth all at the same time with porcelain veneers. And again, that would be just like a 2-appointment process. Cost is going to be a little bit more than straightening them. The timeline is going to be a lot different, and it's going to be a more permanent way of whitening, just as permanent as orthodontics, moving the teeth, because that one you'll still have a retainer. And when we do veneers, it's still a pretty permanent way of moving them as well. So those are our top 3 questions that we get as far as procedures and kind of what we do here in our office. So don't forget to like us below, follow us for more tips.